Nĩ igongona rĩa mathiko ma Stella Memusi mutumia wa Elijah Memusi, mubunge wa Kajiado Central, uria wakuire tariki 31 wetano mwena wa Isinya kwitukira mutino wa barabara gatagati ka ngari iria yamukuite na rori yathukiire barabara thiku ithatu.
Stella, we lectured together for almost 7 years. She was actually my junior. I mentored her in our career. Memusi is family. All the love you gave to everybody in this room. Mpenzi, that is what will take us through.
Who knew your life would be this short? We were supposed to be together for a long time. Through our children's schooling, weddings, grandchildren.
Arata na family mataririe Stella ta mutumia urendete muciĩ wake na gĩtugĩ gĩa bata thabarĩ-inĩ ya ũteti na kĩhiko-inĩ kĩao kĩa mĩaka 22 na Memusi.
Vanity. You know, generations come and go, but then we leave this world. My prayer is that all of us can remember that we have a good country and we must do everything we can to be able to live in a better place.
Kwa hivyo kwa heshima wakaharakisha na pakaleta siku ya leo ili mimi mwenyewe niweze kuhudhuria.
Mutongoria wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio One Kenya Raila Odinga augĩte he bata gũkaneka mogarũrũku rũhonge-inĩ rwa maabithaa a borithi muoroto wa kũng'ethanĩra na ungumania na mĩtino ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩoneka barabara itiganĩte bũrũri-inĩ.
Jukumu lao ya kulinda wananchi wanakuwa hao sasa ni bosses wananchi. Yani tunataka tuwe na police service, national police service, not national police force. Ile force ya ukoloni mpaka tubadilishe.
Batoni ya Azimio yugĩte ũtongoria wa Odinga nĩ ũkarehe ũthii wa na mbere kaunti ya Kajiado kuma ũrĩithia wa mahiũ kũgacĩrithia thũgũrĩ ya nyama na ũrĩmi.
Tutaleta bima ya mfugo ili kama ng'ombe yako inakufa, wewe simba imekula, wewe unapata pesa.
I want to assure the Mituba people, because I know there's something going round, that Baba is standing with them, he's cushioning them, and he's not sending them away, he's going to protect them. So the misunderstanding that came in, and our opponents want to use it, won't tell you, if there is one man who cares about our business people, about our children, about the church, about the generation to come, is one Raila Amolo Odinga.
Stella Memusi akuĩte na mĩaka 24 na marari na ciana 6. Nĩ igongona rĩrehete hamwe aikari a kuma kaunti ya Kajiado makĩhe gĩtĩo kĩao kĩa mũthia kũrĩ Stella Memusi na kũrĩa ndereti ya bata wa gwĩkwo kwa mogarũrũku rũhonge-inĩ rwa maabithaa a borithi ĩyumĩrĩtie. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Kajiado, njĩtagwo Jenga Wambui.